Hey guys, it's Amanda's Nail Art. Today I'm going to do an Ipsy unboxing and then I'm going to do a first impressions video. Sorry if my hair is wet, that's because I just took a shower. It's really thin when it's wet. So we're just going to unbox this right now. Or unpackage it. See, we opened her. Alright. Oh. Okay, let me see if there's anything else. Nope. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like. It's green. So she cute. Okay. Ooh. So, it looks like we got a baked highlighter, and then a lip cream, and then nail polish, as well as a Jelly Shot lip quencher. Cool. And then we got a Coca Cabana body cream. So let's just see what everything looks like. So this is the nail polish. It looks like a red color. Gotta put the rest in the bag because it's a surprise to me. Alright, so it looks like it's a red color, and I already know I'm probably gonna like this because look at the color of my nails and the color I'm wearing. Okay, she cute. And it's like almost a full-size bottle. Okay. I will take it. And then this is the Cusio, or I don't know, color nail polish in Gaia. Alright, and then this is the Coca Cabana cream. It's called Sol de Janeiro. Yeah, so it's pretty. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, love that. Hopefully it doesn't spill and stuff. Yeah, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Alright. I will get that in a second. Alright, so then we have this Ipsy All Day Lip Cream. Oh my god. Come on. Oh wow, it's a really pretty nude color. We'll see how it looks on me. Okay. Yes, this is Dusty New York All Day Lip Cream, and it's in the color Fame Street. Sorry, I stuttered. And then here is the Smile Your Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. So it's hydrating, and then it's an X Revenge. Oh my god, I can't talk, obviously. And then this is the Estate Baked Highlighting Powder. I'm excited, I loved baked stuff. Cute. It's in the color Lit. It's called Estate Do Me. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Alright, and then I will be right back to do the lip. Alright guys, so I already have my base and my eyebrows done. And then this is so cute, the thirst quencher. It has a little flower on the inside. I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to roll it up that far anymore. I did put that on my lips as well because I usually do lipstick last. So then today, like I always, or sometimes I change it up, I use my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. It's good for any redness you got. I used a little of my Photo Balm from the Balm Powder Foundation. You can't buy that anymore, unfortunately. And then I used my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation in the shade Natural. That's what it looks like. And then I used my CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer in Fair. And then I used my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Ghost. And then, like I said, I used the Jelly Shot lip quencher. Say that 10 times fast. Yeah, so today for my look, I'm going to be using my Galaxy Cheek palette for my eyeshadow. Oh, I gotta prime my eyes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do one eye, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Let's see what brushes I need. I'm gonna be using my pencil smudger, and you know, we're gonna use one of the festival sets from the green brushes, because I don't really use these all that much. So we're gonna use this number 10. I believe it's a blending brush. Looks like a blending brush. Alright. So I'm going to be using these shades. We're going to be using the shade Jupiter right here, this pink color. And we're going to be using the shade Venus, which is the orange color. And this is the Galaxy Cheek palette. And this is probably one of my favorite palettes. So we're going to go for a sunset type of look today. It's a really vibrant pink and I love it. Alright, so I'm just gonna wipe the color off my wrist, and then we're gonna go in with Venus, which is this orange color once again. And then just going to a little more vibrant. Alright, and then we're gonna blend with this blending brush. Why am I holding two brushes? I don't know why I do that. Blending away. I'm gonna blend in between two colors. And then I'm gonna add more of the colors. So sorry, I'm just swapping out colors. These shadows are baked, so they're really nice and vibrant, and you can wet your brush too, and I'm sure you'd get a more intense color with those. I don't really usually wet my brush, but I don't know. Just never really done that all that much, and then I'm gonna just add some more orange. Sorry I don't play music. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna blend everything out. Once again. And then we're probably going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to do my eye and everything off camera. So. Alright guys, so I did my other eye, so they look pretty good. Alright, so we're going to move on to face. So I'm going to take my setting spray and just spray my face so that all the powder sticks. I did this with my foundation already, so hopefully that's it in place. And then I'm just going to... And then I'm just going to set my eyes too. Okay. Oh, I think I got my belt. Sorry about my double chin, guys. Alright. See, we're just going to take my Physicians Formula bronzer. Oh, by the way, I use my Stila felt tip liner pencil. And then I also use my Get Big Lashes Essence mascara. So then I'm just going to take my Physicians Formula bronzer, and we're just going to put that on. Alright, we're going to blend this out with ABH Cosmetics Rose Quartz number 4 brush. Alright, and then, where did it go? Okay, so I'm going to take my Milani Baked Blush. This is in Rose d'Oro, number 2. And then I'm just going to take my normal blush brush, which is the number 2 in the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set. And then, because this is hella pigmented, it's by Milani, by the way, we're going to take just a little bit, and then just going to put that all over our cheek, just a little bit, all over our cheek, or the area you wouldn't contour in. And then I'm just going to go again, and then go again. And then I'm going to blend that out. Okay. So then I'm gonna take my highlighter brush with Estate, and then, or with the Estate Do Me in Lit. It's lit. So I'm just gonna take it like I normally would with my highlight. Oh my god, I got hair in my mouth. I'm sorry, that was gross. And then we're just gonna do this. Hopefully she's pigmented. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm like turning sideways. Oh, okay. She's pretty pigmented. Now for extra pop, you could always layer like a liquid or a cream under a powder or bake blush like this, or highlighter. Do I not know makeup? And then a trick sometimes I do is I will just do this and it kind of drags it together. Alright, I'm gonna do it on the other side then too. Okay, so I think that's that. I mean, I like it. I like a lot of these products. I really like this and the Coco Cabana. I used a little of the lotion. I have yet to try the nail polish, which I might do either tonight or tomorrow. And then we're just gonna take our at Ipsy New York All Day Lip Cream. This is in the color Thames Street. Alright. Okay. Wait. No. I'll do it. Which I think it is. Okay. This might be my color, guys. I love roses. Or rose colors. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what we have done today. Very pink and orange look, I would definitely say. It's more of a sunset look. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so I think that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then follow my Instagram and my Twitters down below, and I have those always linked below in all my videos. And then don't forget to watch the last few videos I posted if you're new to my channel as well. Alright, bye!